everybody, it's me, MsEbonyVee. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new to the channel, thank you so much for stopping through. I hope you'll enjoy what you see today and will definitely consider joining the family by subscribing to my channel. And if you are returning, hey Shug Muffin. Alright y'all, so let me start off by saying I hope you had a wonderful Merry Christmas and or Happy Holiday, depending on what you celebrate. Happy holidays to you all. I hope it's been magnificent. And you know, I personally have been enjoying the downtime because, you know, sister ain't working this week. So I have been enjoying my time off, my time home with my family. Super grateful for that, and I hope you have something to be grateful for as well. So let's get into this hair that I'm going to be reviewing today. This is a unit from Outre. It is from their Lace Front Deluxe Premier Synthetic Wig collection, and this unit is in the style CASSIAN. You can say this name so many different ways, so I'm just going to say pronounce it as you may. I'm going to go with CASSIAN. I don't know what to go with. That's sad. But anyway, CASSIAN, like you can say this so many different ways, but you get my drift. And I have her in the color DR Cherry Crush. She comes in these beautiful curls and 20 inches. She also claims to have HD transparent lace, and she claims to have deeper hand-tied natural edges for the frontal area. So let's go ahead and dive into the hair portion of this video. So let's get into my thoughts on this super cutie right here. Probably not the most, but a very easy throw on and go. That's like top notch for me. That's what set this wig off. The fact that she's super gorgeous with these beautiful curls. This curl pattern is absolutely beautiful. I love this color. Y'all know this is my jam right here. This little, y'all already know, this is in my love family. This little red we got going on. Beautiful color, y'all. I'm in love. And I feel so sexy in it. This is sexy right here. Giving me glam vibes for sure. Definitely New Year's Eve ready. Okay, well, I mean, she's pretty much anything ready, but if you need something for New Year's Eve, I think this is a good little fit right here. I experienced no issues with this wig, like no shedding, no tangling. I mean, she's curly, so I wouldn't try to glide my fingers through her anyway, but yeah, no issues. Like, the hairline was pretty decent. I did not pluck anything, you know. Add a little swoop right here, did a little bang tuck and flip the hair back over. I don't know what I'm saying, but I know what I did. I'm sitting there like, what am I saying? I'm thinking that internally, like, what am I saying? But you know what I mean, dang it. You know what I mean. So I just kind of like tucked the hair underneath here, did a little swoop here in the front, and brought the hair back over. Super cute to me. Hey, it works for me, y'all. And you can dress this up in so many different ways. You can have on your little nice sexy black dress, get your little red hair popping, or you can get it in black, honey, and still be popping. Super cute, sexy, glam unit. Let me know what you all think down in the comments below. You know, I want to hear from you. You know, I want to know your thoughts. Let's go ahead and chat about it. If you have made it this far in the video, go ahead and leave me this little fireworks emoji right here down in the comments so that I know you made it to the end, Shug Muffin, and you know I love and appreciate you for that. I thank you all so much for rocking with me today. Please be sure to give this video a big thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you have not, and I will be sure to catch you beautiful people in the next video.